Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. And in our today's class, we will continue with our chapter first, matter in our surroundings. In our previous class, I hope you all understand the physical nature of matter. In this, we will study about matter is made up of particles. How small are these particles of the matter? Characteristics of the particles, that particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of each matter attract each other. And these questions also I had given in our previous assignment, but still अभी तक मुझे किसी ने सबमिट नहीं करवाया है. So I am waiting for your previous assignment. Now our today's topic is state of matter. Okay, normally three states are there: the solid states, liquid state, and gaseous state. First one, the solid state. Activity 1.9. For these you have to collect some solid articles like pen, book, needle, a piece of wooden. Now sketch the shape of above articles in your notebook. Now why all this activity? This activity is only to show that solid particles have their specific shape and size. All the above are examples of solids. We can observe that all these have a definite shape, distinct boundaries, and fixed volume. That is, have negligible compressibility. Solids have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. This is the property of solid. Solid have definite shape, definite fixed volume, distinct boundary, and no compressibility. That means it is hard to compress the solid, and solid have tendency to maintain their shapes when subjected to outside force, and it is very difficult to change the shape and size of the solid. Okay, now you have to read this about this rubber band. Now next one, the liquid state. We observe that liquid has no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. Liquid have no fixed shape but a fixed volume because liquid take the शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर. आप लिक्विड को जिस भी कंटेनर में डालते हैं वो उसका ही शेप ले लेता है, बट स्टिल इट्स वॉल्यूम रिमेन सेम. अगर आप 1 लीटर वाटर बॉटल में अगर वाटर जो है उसका अगर आप उसको किसी दूसरे यूटेंसिल्स में अगर डालते हो तो भी उसका केवल शेप चेंज होगा. दैट मीन्स इट विल टेक द शेप ऑफ दैट कंटेनर, बट इट्स वॉल्यूम रिमेन सेम. वॉल्यूम वही रहेगा. नाउ they take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. It refers to the activity 1.4 and 1.5 that you have to do yourself, where we saw that solids and liquids can diffuse into liquid. The gaseous are the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for the survival of aquatic animals and plants. All living creatures need to breathe. For survival, the aquatic animals can breathe underwater due to the presence of dissolved oxygen. Yes, oxygen is dissolved in water. That's why it is possible for the aquatic creature to survive. Thus, we may conclude that solids, liquids, and gases can diffuse into liquids. The rate of diffusion of liquid is higher than that of solids. This is due to the fact that in the liquid state, particles move freely, have greater space between them, In solid, particles are not easily move. That's why the shape and size of the particles are also not change easily. But in the case of liquid, liquid particles are diffused because they have गैप बिटवीन दैम, ग्रेटर स्पेस बिटवीन दैम. जो लिक्विड के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनके बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होता है. ओके, नाउ द गैसियस स्टेट. हैव यू एवर ऑब्जर्व अ बलून शेल्टर सेलर फिलिंग अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बलून्स? देखा होगा आप लोगों ने. वी हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट द गैसेज आर हाईली कॉम्प्रेसिबल as compared to solids and liquids. The liquefied petroleum gas cylinder that we get in our home for cooking or the oxygen supplied to hospital in cylinder is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas is used as a fuel. We come know of what is being cooked in the kitchen without. Yes, we get this smell. What is cooking in the what is going or whatever be. We get the smell of everything. Why? Through our nose, because our nose is a sense organ. But the fact is, the smell particles mixed with air, and through the air we get this smell. Got it or not? That means गैस के particles जो होते हैं, they have ample of difference between them. That means space between them. उनके बीच में बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेस होता है. दैट्स वाई दे आर फ्रीली मूव, दे कैन फ्रीली मूव. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रीली मूव कर सकते हैं, इसलिए वो एयर में ईजिली मिक्सड होकर और हमारे नोज तक आ जाते हैं. इन द गैसियस स्टेट द पार्टिकल्स मूव अबाउट रैंडमली एट अ हाई स्पीड. ड्यू टू दिस रैंडम मूवमेंट द पार्टिकल्स हीट each other and also the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gas is because of this force exerted by the gas particles per unit area on the walls of the container. जो बलून है, बलून के अंदर अगर एक्सेसिव हम एयर फील करते हैं तो वो फट जाता है, क्योंकि जो एयर के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं दे अप्लाइड अ फोर्स ओवर द सरफेस ऑफ द balloon. That's why after few time it burst. Got it? So these figure 1.5 is very important that you have to do yourself, and this question is your today's assignment. Okay, I will send it along with answers. Thank you.